Okay, I've got the older Jeep behind me here. This is the 2000 TJ. I've had it for almost 10 years now. But this is gonna be the second time that we replaced the soft top. I replaced the soft top when I first bought it back in about 2014 or so. So this one's ready to go here. We've got a new top that we've ordered. So we're just gonna strip off this old one and put on the new one.
Take out the slide bar because we need that for later.
Okay, there we have it. Pretty quick installation. Took maybe an hour, maybe less. You can finally see out of the back window now, which is huge because it's been a few years since I've been able to do that. So less opaque windows, top looks great. Very easy to install. Very wonderful looking Jeep right now. Very happy. All right, till next time.